Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add CC in Hosting or Webmail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, you'll need to log into your Webmail account. You can do this by visiting mail.hostinger.com. Once you've logged in, you're all set to start crafting your message. To begin composing your email, click on the Compose button. This will open up a fresh email window. Here you'll spot the field marked as to where you usually type the primary recipient's email address. Next to it, you'll notice a small plus sign. Clicking on this icon reveals more options that you can add to your email. You'll want to select CC, which immediately opens up a new field dedicated to CC. This is where you can enter additional email addresses of other recipients who should be kept in the loop of the email conversation. If you find that you need to add even more recipients to your CC list, it's as simple as clicking on the CC option again, allowing you to input as many email addresses as needed. With your CC list filled out, it's time to turn your attention to the main body of your email. Compose your message just as you normally would. Once you're satisfied with your message, simply hit send. Rest assured, everyone you included in the CC field will receive the email along with the primary recipients noted in the To field. And that's it. So that is how you can add CC in Hosting or Webmail. So that's all for this video. Thanks.